guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe Brown, and if you're new here, I am so happy that you're here. Please click that subscribe button down below. That notification bell also helps you know when I upload. I'm so random with my times. So if you think I'm going to be like Monday 9 a.m., probably not. Probably not. So the notification bells really help you know that, when I do upload. Anyways, today I'm so excited to share this tutorial with you guys. I'm a little bit more serious in this video because I'm like really trying to help you guys understand what I do, and I'm trying to be very technical rather than like funny or fast. So yeah, I'm trying to just show you guys all the techniques. And so I hope you learn that volumizing your hair or learning techniques isn't all that scary, and it can work on all hair types. So let's get right into the video. I went ahead and I flat ironed the underneath of my hair earlier before I started this video. That's what I do every time. It's just because I have that flip out, or if I fall asleep, like you can see it here, just a little bit like the flip out. So I just curl everything in. For these pieces, we're gonna get them done first. And what I like to do is I turn up my flat iron to 330 degrees, and I am going to put it upside down, angled. Do you see that? Upside down, angled. And I'm not gonna put my hair to the side. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Now I'm gonna start that flat iron right as it hits my eye. I'm gonna turn it and then bring it down. So that curl starts right at my eye and then it comes down. Same here. But this side, I did not have to go upside down because it's already at the correct angle. I'm right-handed, so if you're left-handed, then do the opposite. Okay, and then, so these curls are like in my face. That's what we want. All right, now we go over this middle section. And first what I'm going to do is just flat iron these ends just like that. So we're doing the opposite as we did the bangs. So I want everything to be very flat. All right, now we're going to go upside down again, angle, see how I'm doing it diagonal. We're gonna stick it at the root, curl the root, and then bring it down. Alternating, so now that I'm gonna curl towards my face, I'm gonna put the curling iron up and just give that root a good twist. Just like that. And now that I'm getting towards the back, I really don't care. So I'm just gonna curl. It's just those front sections I really like holding that, the flat iron at that angle. So this too, I want curled. All right. So now that I'm on this side, I just curl regular because, it's my right hand. And then I'm going to turn my thumb to the front to curl these frontwards or forwards. And then curl this back, and everything else just curl back. All right, so everything in the front I'm gonna curl away from my face, and then curl towards, away, towards my face. Make sure you get that at the root, just like that. Okay, and if you feel like you need to flat iron these ends, go ahead. But I don't necessarily do this to the top sections because they're not as curly at the bottom. The least amount of heat that we can put on our hair, the better. Away from our face. Towards our face. Away. And then we'll do the back. Just away. I like it to meet in the middle and the back. I am going to tease this part. I am going to use this ion brush from Sally Beauty, something very fine tooth, but very sturdy, okay? That's what we're gonna use. And I am going to take this section of my hair on the side, spray it with a light hold hairspray, and then take your hair and really, really get in there at the root. You want it to all stay at the root, okay? And then spray again. Let's do 2 layers on each side. Now, if you feel like your hair is too slick, go ahead and spray some dry shampoo or texture spray in there before you do this step. All right. There we go. Now the reason why I am teasing these down here is because I don't want the curls to come out all the way, but I don't want them to be too curly. Now these next steps I'm going to tease before I even curl my hair. So this back one you want really, really big because that is where you want the most volume. Okay, now everything is teased. Looks like crazy madness. I run my fingers through it just a little bit to just soften the tease. So we're gonna part down the middle where we have this part. We're gonna start on this back section first. We're gonna tease it before we curl it. Okay, I'm gonna just let this fall kind of to the side while I do this back section. And we are going to start halfway up the hair and push all the way down with our teasing comb. Spray some hairspray, repeat. So everything should be right at the scalp and you want to keep your hair straight up in the air. Just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and curl these sections. And this just allows the tease to stay and the curl to stay. Same thing on these sides. I'm gonna lift them straight up in the air. Spray some hairspray. Tease it right down to the root, just like that. Lay it down, and then curl away from the face. This one I'm gonna curl towards my face because this little section I'll curl away. All right, just like that. This little baby right here, we're gonna add some tease. Spray. And then we will curl that away from the face. All right. This pinned hair that's right here, I'm gonna just flip it over on this side and lay it down. Go ahead and tease. Spray. Do one more tease. Lay it down. Curl this one away from the face. There we go. And this one towards the face. Okay, this last section, we're gonna part down the middle right here, and then we have all this hair that goes back. So I like to, maybe right where my ear ends, kind of part that, and whatever is behind your ear goes backwards, so you get a lot of volume all right here. So tease. Now here's a trick as well. If you find that your tease doesn't like to stay, what you can do, put your flat iron at the lowest setting and just come in here and just clamp it down really quick, okay? And then that way, all of the tease that you just made in your hair will now stay, and it literally is like the most volume you've ever seen in your whole life. So now we are going to curl these pieces all going away from the face. Don't get too close to your root at the very top. Sometimes I like that, but not for this look. Okay, you just want a little bit of movement. Okay, the sides, we're gonna tease sideways. We want that part to be in the middle. See, I'm holding my hair straight up as well. Just getting that tease right in there. I am going to flip my flat iron upside down again and diagonal and get that curl really tight right in there. Right. Tease right in there, right at the scalp. Curl away from the face. There we go. Now you take your comb, and I don't brush through, I just kind of like pick it through. You know, just a little bit. Move your hands in there. And then at these ends, what you can do is just back comb the ends to just make them fuller. And then rub your hands in there as well. I like to tuck one side behind my ear, have this other side go out. And then if you feel like all this needs to be bigger too, literally just take your comb and fluff it out. Just little tiny back combs here and there. Really makes a huge difference, right? Just the slight wave, big volume, middle part. If you don't want a middle part, go ahead and flip it. This is what makes that big old bang right here. The shorter pieces that are in your bangs, that's what allows this hair to stay and lift. Okay, because if everything was the same length, it would be too heavy and it would fall. So you need some pieces just to defy gravity and let it really have that volume. I like to put a little bit of hair right in my face. That's why I like to straighten those little baby pieces. I grew out my undercut so that I can have some face framing stuff on this side of my ear. And then parting it down the middle allows volume to be distributed evenly all around your hair. So your hair is not like super big on one side and not big on this side. It's just all very evenly distributed. Now, if you do your hair like this, I highly suggest to get some of this liquid hairspray. I really like the Aveda Fermata, but you just spray like 2 sprays up in there, and then it really gets that lift staying all day as well with all of the teas and flat ironing and whatnot. Let me say this, there are a whole bunch of products out there that a lot of people suggest for people with fine hair, or, you know, volumizing shampoo, you know, volumizing powder, volumizing root booster, volume, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you can spend a lot of money on all products, but you don't really need a lot of products. All you need is a teasing comb and a good hairspray. And I like the light hold hairspray because it doesn't add too much crunchiness. You can still touch it, you can still move it, but it does have memory. So don't feel like you have to get a whole bunch of products to create volume in your hair. All right, and there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped you realize that volume is not impossible. You can do it. I know you can. And we've had a lot of people have success stories from little tips that I've shared in the past. And if you guys want more daily tips, hairstyles, makeup stuff, life in general, you can go head over to my Instagram page where I share all of that. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.